Hello all, today we've got an Alcatel 5008T with a broken LCD. I've already removed the back. It's actually very difficult. Need to slide it down without cracking the screen. I'm guessing that's why the screen might be broken. We'll start with the disassembly process. Take note that some of the screws are longer than others. Playback is at double speed and I've edited this video down from 30 to 5 minutes. Don't forget the SIM tray. In hindsight, removing this bottom panel might be unnecessary. I'm just using low heat. We don't want to damage anything. We need to reuse the center frame. I'm not sure what the go is with this battery adhesive, it's very difficult to remove. This is the screen I've ordered from AliExpress, it was 30 Australian dollars. I always like to transfer these filters. I'm not sure what they do, but they belong in the phone. A lot of these screens don't come with adhesive. B7000 works best anyway. Now the glue is dry, it's reassembly time. B7000 on the battery as well. Let's give it a test. It's working. We'll try touch. I don't know the passcode for this one. Well, that's it. Another job done. Thanks for watching.